Today we're catapulting some light with the Catapult Pro from ThruNite. With this long distance spotlight, you have to be careful not to blind your neighbor. We'll get into a brightness test and more, but first, what's in the box? The Catapult Pro comes with a manual, a lanyard and spare O-rings, a USB charging cable, a holster with belt clip, and of course the Catapult Pro. The Catapult Pro is powered with a 5000 mAh battery, making the battery life really impressive. This flashlight is super rugged too. It's constructed with an Aerospace grade aluminum body. This design allows the Catapult Pro to withstand drops up to 1.5 meters with ease. I accidentally dropped this onto solid concrete. It hit the top first and I thought the glass might be broken, but as you can see, it only has a tiny little scuff. The design is not only strong, but it's Ipx8 Waterproof. I was honestly surprised that this crazy bright flashlight is waterproof too. It's also made in a way to ensure that you get a firm grip. The only reason I dropped it is because my hands were full and I hadn't put on the lanyard yet. So now on to the moment you've all been waiting for, the brightness test. With its upgraded SFT70 lens and maximum lumen output of 2713, you can now shine your spotlight up to 1005 meters, or about 3300 feet. With this light you'll be sure not to miss a thing. It's so bright I'm sure it would disable a person or blind a driver, so be careful and use this light outside. Thankfully though, you can press and hold the button to cycle through the brightness settings, all the way from infinity high to infinity low. Walking up and down the trails with this, I can see everything. It literally makes nighttime look like day. You can double press the button to enable turbo mode, triple press to enable strobe, and long press to enable firefly. They made this one super easy to operate and give you full control over the light, all from this one button. I've been working on extending my hiking trails, and even with the extra distance, I can still see everything with this light. I can see clear from one side of my farm to the other. We've lived here for a couple years now, and for the first time we had someone trespass. I instantly put on my old man boots, grabbed my spotlight, and scared them off. Now me and my husky patrol the farm every night before bed. If I was trespassing and saw this light, I'd be scared off by its sheer power, and then I would try and disappear into the night as well. But now there's nowhere to hide. But anyways, I've had a lot of fun testing the searchlight and excited to use it to intimidate away some young whippersnappers trespassing on my farm. If you'd like to get yourself a Catapult Pro and be able to see everything around you as well, then please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go patrol the farm again. See ya!